Okay, more questions. So how many join types are there? Well, we've got join, which we talked about, inner join, which we've talked about, left join and left outer join that we've talked about, right join and right outer join, and we've talked about. But there's also full outer join, full join, cross join, non-equi join, equi join, semi-join, anti-left join, anti-semi join, anti-right join, and more. So what we're going to do is take a look at now the difference between the inner join versus the left outer joins. So here we have the inner join that we looked at originally, and it just matches up everything from table 1 to table 2 where there's a match and throws away those that don't match. And then I'm going to run that included with the left outer join, which says give me everything from table 1 and leave it with nulls if there's nothing in table 2. And when we run that, this one should actually down here be right outer join. So when we run all three of these, the inner join, the left outer join, and the right outer join with all the tables and columns in the same order, we can see three different sets of results here. Let's refresh that. So first one, the inner join matches everything and only shows those that are matched. The left outer join matches everything, but also gives us everything from table 1 and skips it with nulls on table 2. And the right outer join says give us everything from table 2 and fill it in with nulls if it doesn't match on table 1. Okay, that's inner join, left outer join, and right outer join. Keeping in mind that the left table is the one that is before the join, and the right table is the one that is after the join. All right, moving down the list then onto the left and right outer join with exclusion. So there's terminology here that we've got to think about. First is, what is a SQL exclude join? That is just referring to a left or a right outer join with exclusion. What is a SQL join to exclude matches? That's the same thing. What is a left join excluding an inner join? Well, that's kind of a weird way to say it, but what is a left join with exclusion? And what is an anti-left join or even an anti-right join in SQL? Well, it's a way to say, do the join, but then throw away the stuff that would have been in the inner join, or throw away the stuff that actually matched. So what I want to look at here is a left outer join with exclusion, also known as an exclude join or an anti-left join. And if I leave off the where clause here first, it's just a plain left join, left outer join, like we've been looking at, where it shows everything from table 1 and leaving it a nulls if it doesn't match table 2. But then we say where table 2 ID is null, and when we run that, it basically says give me everything from the left join, throwing out those people who are matched, or throwing out everyone who would have been in the inner join. So this would be a way from the list of people and favorite colors to find everyone who does not have a favorite color, for instance, or everyone who doesn't match up in table 2. Okay, so now the right outer join with exclusion, we're doing a similar thing. We're saying where right outer join, where table 1's favorite color is null. And when we run that, it says, okay, just give me all of the colors that aren't matched up to people's favorites. So if this was, we're going to go do company t-shirts and we want to put everyone's t-shirt with their favorite color, we could safely not order any pink, mauve, or orange t-shirts based off of this query's results showing us that none of the people in our list like those colors. Another way you could achieve the same thing would be selecting from one table where the value is not in another table. And what we found is that doing the right outer join with exclusion, or the right anti-join, or the left outer join with exclusion, or the left anti-join can be a more efficient way in some cases to do that for kind of a query versus doing a not in type query. Like we always say, actual mileage will vary, so you want to test it and compare it, but it's a great way to give you, say, match these tables and show me the things that are missing or that aren't matched up.